Pre-save your JavaScript files for quick execution. All right, let's hop into it. This is FastJS. It is a flipperzero application to execute JavaScript files quickly. As you saw in the intro video, all you have to do is select the path to your file and it will remember it the next time that you re-enter the app. Now, the bonuses of this is that you can set this to your favorite app or your dummy mode buttons so that you can access your JavaScript files quickly. To install, head over to the Flipper lab and click on install. Now, of course, you need to connect your Flipper. You cannot do it on Safari. You have to be on Google Chrome. You will connect your Flipper and then you will click install and it will install right onto your flipperzero. All right, now head into the flipperzero. We're gonna go to apps and then go down to tools and then open up FastJS. Here we go. Okay, now here we go to configure, and this remember tab is if you want it to remember the path, so you don't have to keep setting the path each time, then you will set it to yes if it's not on yes, or you can set it to no if you just want to run the script one time, or keep it saved only for while the app is open. So keep it on yes, then you click select script. Mine is already saved. We'll go into apps and then yours should be under scripts. And then I have a folder called mine. We'll choose a different one than the one on there. Here, submenu test. And then you can hit backspace and go and hit run. This is just a simple tutorial that I did that shows me the index of what the user clicked on. So go next to. And let's say you didn't want to remember, you can click on no, and we'll also choose a different script. Go to scripts, test. Let's go to info. We won't remember it, but we'll still play it, and then we'll exit. Learn about flipperzero, sure. Globals, sure. Global variables and functions. Okay, we'll back out of this. Sure, another topic. Nope, let's actually just back out of the app. This time, because we hit no, we didn't save. Now if we try to hit run, it's not going to run. See if I hit okay, it's not going to run because it didn't save the app, the path. So we'll go and pre-save the path again. A different example, I'm not sure what dialog test is. Hit remember and then back. We don't have to run, we can just hit exit out of there, and then the next time we go into this, we'll be able to run it right away. This last step is optional, but extremely useful if you are constantly having to run your scripts. We're gonna go into the settings now. We're gonna go down to desktop, and all the way down here, we have options to set the favorite app and the dummy mode buttons. So for an example, we will choose, let's choose down, I don't think I have one set. And then we go to select app, and now we can go and select the FastJS. Because you notice that if you go and try to just click on a script, you're not able to click on a script to save. So with this app, we go into our tools, we'll click on FastJS, boom, and now that's saved. And now when I'm in the default mode, dummy mode, I'm sorry, and I click down, now I can pull this up and I can run it right away. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and head over to GitHub to start the repository.